Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Curvi Yogi. I am Jakita, and today we are going to go through a very easy 10-minute seated yoga practice. So I know it's hard to fit in 15 to 30 minutes of yoga every day, so I figured I'd go through a 10-minute flow that you can fit in at the beginning of your day, the end of your day, or maybe on your lunch break. So all you will need today is your mat. Grab that and we will get started. So we'll just start seated, and I'm just facing the top of the mat or the front of the mat. Sitting tall in the spine, grounding the hips into the mat, reaching all the way up through the crown of the head. Lift the shoulders up towards your ears and down and back. Keeping the chest open, bringing the ribs in. We'll start with 3 deep breaths. Inhaling through the nose, exhaling out of the mouth. So let's inhale together. Open the mouth and exhale. Inhale. Open the mouth, exhale. One last time, inhale. And exhale. And then we'll start in dandasana. Extending the legs out in front of you, grounding the heels into the mat, toes are reaching up towards the ceiling, hands are beside your hips. We'll start with some side bends. So inhale as you bring the arms out and up. Exhale as you bring the right hand down, left arm reaches over, keeping the hips rooted down to the mat. Inhale, arms come back up to center. Exhale, left hand down, right arm reaches over. Inhale, arms come up. Exhale, arms down by your side. We're going to come into some forward folds and twists. So we'll start with bringing the right foot in towards the left thigh, and right knee is out to the right. Left leg is still extended. Inhale as you reach the arms up, and then exhale as you fold forward towards that extended leg. So you can grab for the ankle here, or you can grab for the back of the foot, whichever feels good for you in this moment. Take a full breath here, feeling the calf and hamstring stretch out a little bit. And then walking the hands up towards your body as you sit tall. This time bringing that right knee up, and we're gonna cross the right foot over the left. Bring the left hand to the right knee, right hand behind you, coming into a twist. So sit tall in the spine first, and then twist to your right, looking over your right shoulder. And then release that right foot out. And then we're coming onto our back. So you can have the knees bent, feet on the mat. And we're just gonna roll down with the spine coming onto the back. Walk the feet back towards your hips. We're gonna set up for a bridge pose. So hands can be down by your side, or if you want, you can grab both ends of the mat just to help you feel a little bit more grounded. We're gonna start with an inhale here. And then on the exhale, lift the hips off of the mat. You may wiggle the shoulders underneath. Coming into your bridge pose, your mini back bend. And then slowly lower the hips back down to the mat and tuck the shoulders. Bring the knees into the chest. And we're just gonna rock back and forth along the spine. On the third time coming up to sit, extending the legs out. This time we're bringing that left foot in towards the right side. Left knee goes out to the left. Sitting tall. Inhale as you bring the arms up. On the exhale, we're folding towards that extended foot. Again, reaching for the ankle or the back of the foot, whichever feels good. Maybe noticing any differences on this side, taking a full breath. And then walking the hands up as you sit tall. Bringing the left knee up. We're gonna cross that left foot over the right. Bring the right hand to the left knee and left hand comes behind you. Sit tall in the spine. And then we're twisting to the left. Take a full breath. And then releasing that left foot. And then bending the knees, placing them on the mat. We're coming back onto our backs for another bridge pose. Again, walking the feet back towards the hips. Finding your hand placement. And then start with an inhale. On the exhale, lift the hips up. You can wiggle the shoulders underneath, pressing down through your feet to keep yourself lifted. If you want to make it more active, you can think about drawing the knees together without bringing them all the way together. And breathe. And then slowly roll down towards the mat. Untuck the shoulders. And then bring the knees into the chest. We're rocking back and forth along the spine 3 times. And the last time coming up to sit. Ending with our side bends and our 3 breaths. So sitting tall, hands out to your side. Inhale as you bring the arms up. Exhale, left arm comes down, right arm reaches over. Inhale, arms come up. Exhale, right arm down, left arm reaches over. Inhale, arms up. This time we're going to twist. So you're going to bring your arms out to the side. And then exhale as you twist to the left. Inhale, arms back up to center. Exhale, arms out to your side and twisting to the right. And then inhale, arms up. Exhale, arms down. And you can rest your hands on your knees. Sit tall in the spine. Lift the shoulders up towards the ears, down and back as the shoulder blades pull together. Bringing the ribs in just slightly. Ending with our 3 breaths. So let's inhale through the nose. Exhale out the mouth. 2 more times. Inhale. And exhale. One last time. Inhale. And exhale. Bring your hands together in front of your heart. Thank you so much for joining me today. Always remember that the light in me sees and honors the light within each of you. I'll see you guys next time.